If your identity has been stolen, you should file a police report as soon as possible. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to do that and explain why you should act fast. The sooner you report identity theft, the faster you can prevent further damage to your financial reputation. First of all, you need to make sure that you are indeed a victim of identity theft. Here are 5 warning signs. Unauthorized charges on your credit cards, missing funds from your bank account, calls from debt collectors for debts that's not yours, realizing your online accounts have been hacked, missing mail, or unrecognized mail. If you've noticed any of these, then your identity has probably been stolen, and this is what you should do. Unlike what many people think, calling the police is not your first step. Before you do anything else, you must notify the Federal Trade Commission, or FTC. In the FTC's website, you can easily file an identity theft report, which will be important for your next steps. Head to identitytheft.gov and click Get Started. In the next steps, choose the options that better describe your situation. The online wizard will automatically fill out your report based on your choices. According to the FTC's privacy policy, you can choose how much personal information you feel comfortable providing. Everything you share will be entered into a secure online database. As you fill in the required fields about the incident, the FTC's online tool generates a personalized recovery plan. This will guide you on your next steps, so you can download forms and dispute letters to send to credit bureaus. Once you complete your affidavit, print out the report and keep a copy for your records. Now it's time to consider going to the police, but should you? As a federal law enforcement agency, the FTC actually supersedes your local police department. So in most cases, you don't even need to involve the police. You should read carefully your recovery plan and see if going to the police is necessary in your case. In general, you'll need to inform the police if one of these 4 things applies. You know the person who committed the crime, you have information that could aid in a police investigation, your identity was used during a crime, or your financial institution requires a police report for identity theft. If and when you go to the police, make sure that you have your FTC identity theft report, any personal identifying documents you have, and evidence of the identity theft. With all of this out of the way, now it's time to inform all 3 major credit bureaus of theft. You can also do this online by visiting the websites of Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. After that step, depending on the scale of theft, there are many possible courses of action. You probably have to take small steps. For one, small things like changing all your passwords, but you might need to make huge changes too, like canceling your bank account and freezing your credit card. Identity theft can be difficult and an emotionally taxing process, but it doesn't have to be like this. Aura's white glove fraud resolution service eliminates the stress of recovering your identity and assets if you're a victim of identity theft or financial fraud. A dedicated Aura case manager will work with you to craft a mitigation and remediation plan. Aura's team of trained experts will help you to navigate the challenges of dealing with credit bureaus and federal institutions. And every Aura plan comes with a $1 million identity theft insurance policy that may cover eligible losses due to identity fraud. You can actually try Aura's 14-day free trial by clicking the link in the description. Let us know in the comments if any of this has happened to you and how you dealt with it. My name is Upton, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you soon.